Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can download and install Microsoft Office 2021 Professional Plus for free and legally. Let's start. First, create a folder on your desktop. Right click, new folder. Name it Office. Go to Google Chrome. Search for Office Deployment Tool. Office Deployment Tool. Download. Save. Good. Show in folder. Right click. Run as administrator. Yes. Click here. Continue. From desktop, select your folder. And I named it Office. Okay. Let's check. Open it. Now I have these two files. Select this one and delete. Close it. Go to Google. Open new tab. Office Customization Tool. Enter. Click this one. If your PC is 32-bit, select 32. My PC is 64, so I select 64. Expand. Select Office LTSC Professional Plus. Scroll down. Select your desired apps. That's my desired apps. Next. Select your language. United States. Next. Next. Turn off. Next. Select KMS. Next. Next. Scroll down. Finish. Export. Select this one. Okay, I accept. Export. Make sure the name is configuration. Save. Show in folder. Just Ctrl C. Close this one. Come to your folder. Open it. Ctrl V. Good. Select it. Ctrl C. Open here. Take it to disk C. Just Ctrl V. Open it. Select it here. That is the path. Just copy the path. Ctrl C. Now just search for command prompt. Please run it as administrator, otherwise it doesn't work. Yes. CD space paste the path. That's the path. Enter. Go to this Notepad. Don't worry about Notepad. I provide this code in the description. This code is given by Microsoft itself. Control copy. Control V. Enter. Now it works. You just have to wait. Please don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe as respect to our effort. It is done. Just close. And from here, search for Microsoft Word. Come to apps and search for Word. That's it. Have a nice day.